Coffee fans, I am standing here behind a Gemilai Professional Level Espresso Machine coffee maker. Let me show you real quick how I made this picture perfect flat white. I'm just gonna go over the process really quick so you can see how the whole thing works. You put the coffee in the portafilter, you tamp it down, get it nice and firm. You install the portafilter, you just lock it in by moving it to the center. You press the button to make the coffee maker start and it will automatically make those perfect cups of coffee or espresso. Then we move over to the steamer to make our frothy milk, which takes a little bit. That will definitely take you a little bit of practice to get the technique down, but you just put it on steam, you put it in the milk to press it at the right little angle, and again, a little practice, you'll have the perfect frothy milk to make your flat white. For the flat white, which you've seen I made, you take your espresso, mix it with a little bit of milk, and then you put your milk foam on the top just to finish it off, and it is absolutely delicious. Okay, so that's how we got to here. Oh, that's really good. So let me tell you about the machine real quick, the things you want to know. It has 1.8 quart capacity for your water, which is generally pretty large for these things. It's made out of this really beautiful brushed stainless steel, which looks a lot like if you went to go to a coffee cafe or something like that. Looks like it belongs there. Functionality is super simple. You got on, off, you got an automated cup, and then you have a manual cup if you want to adjust the strength of your cup, as well as your steamer, or you could also switch it the other way around, make hot water with this if you're one of those tea people. I have used a lot of different manual espresso makers, and I have to say the 1500 watt power of this is a huge game changer, right? Because it makes steam almost instantly. It makes your hot water almost instantly. You just turn it on and start pressing buttons and you're going. Lots of these machines don't have that kind of power, so you have to wait a little while before you can start making your delicious coffee. All right, I've spoken enough, told you all about this, looked at my coffee waiting for me to drink it. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time. Oh, that's good.